Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, CHEELAH Beauty, and yes, this video is basically a Valentine makeup date tutorial makeup, guys. Happy Valentine. And yeah, it's 2 days to Valentine, I guess. And yeah, so this is actually a requested video, and yeah, we'll bring it to you guys. So I'm going with my primer. This primer is actually good for oil skin. It's a Matchbox primer and I've been using it for a while, so it will work with my skin. And yeah, I'm going with my CHEELAH foundation, which it's a matte foundation, and it actually works as well for a dry skin. And guys, I so much love this foundation because because it's not a sponsored advert or something, but I love it because it works with my skin. And yes, before I blend the foundation, you can see that I use my Hydrating flawless spray. Guys, I don't joke with that. I don't joke with that hydrating spray because it actually make my foundation to blend so well inside my skin. And yeah, so I'm going with my brush to blend as much as I can blend to give you that flawless skin work. So guys, I'm going with my Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I love this concealer because I've been using it for a while. Like all the product I'm using in this video is basically, it has been a while I got those products, and I know which one works for me and which one doesn't work for me. So I'm going to blend those foundation I'm going to blend the concealer out, and yeah, with my blending foam, and I make sure I blend. That's how we do, we blend as we can blend, like guys. So I'm going to contour my nose area with my CHEELAH foundation, the darker shade. That's what I'm using to contour my nose, to give it a pointed nose. Yeah. This is actually what I like in makeup, like contouring that nose area. So I'm going with my setting powder, Shashat setting powder, and guys, this powder is a bomb. Actually, it is not a Nigerian brand, but I love it. I love that setting powder. So that's what I've been using for a while now. guys, I'm contouring my cheekbone, and I'm using my powder palette, which is one of the dark shade inside my powder palette, to contour my cheekbone. And yeah, so I'm going with my flawless powder palette, and I'm going to make sure I dust those powder out. Like, so actually I didn't want this makeup tutorial to be that long, so we are done with my makeup. And yeah, as you can see, it's a full glam, but it's a nude eyeshadow I did, guys. I don't actually want to do too much makeup. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like, share, and if you like my video, don't forget to like and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy Valentine to you, and see you guys again in my next video. Bye.